Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to give you a teaching that's going to take your life from lack of things not happening for you to a life very, very quickly where things are constantly happening to you. Amazing things are constantly happening to you. If you want to know how to do that, stay tuned. Hello and welcome. My name is Kartika Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. I'm very excited to share this particular teaching to you. Even though it's given for free on YouTube, it is probably the most powerful thing you'll probably do for yourself. One of the most powerful things you'll ever do for yourself. So stay tuned and practice what you're about to learn here today. To teach you this lesson, I'm going to give you a personal example. Over the last couple of months, I was noticing that every weekend would come and we'd end up doing nothing. No one would plan anything. Friends were busy. Nothing was happening over the weekends. And I was noticing this that, here's another weekend where we did nothing. Here's another weekend where no one's making a plan. I could text people and I wouldn't hear back from them because everyone was busy doing their own thing. And then as like the fifth, sixth weekend like that started happening, I noticed that, hey, that's not normal. This is a pattern. Something is happening. I need to wake up and see what's going on. I recognized that I was noticing every time, oh, here's another weekend where nothing has happened, nothing has happened, nothing has happened, nothing has happened. I'm noticing that it's lack, it's lack, it's lack. So I said, okay, now that I've woken up and recognized this, let's flip this. So I spent about 5 minutes thinking about all the times in my life where I've had amazing hangouts with people, done incredible things with people, had so much fun and deep connections and deep conversations. And I just filled my consciousness with all those memories and genuinely appreciating them, genuinely seeing myself as someone who has experienced such a richness of life, of connections and conversations. And that became my sense of self at that time. My whole body was filled with the vibration of abundance, of hangouts and great conversations and great human connections. So in that moment, my energy flipped from, oh, I don't have any connections with people and we're not hanging out, to, whoa, I'm somebody who's so full of amazing connections in life. I've had such amazing experiences. And because my energy shifted from the very next day, which was not even a weekend, it was a weekday, that night we had music night. The next day we had dance night. The weekend after that, I went to the city. The weekend after that was my birthday. We went to an escape room in the city, and it just was like this, like people. And funnily enough, those same people responded to me saying, "Kartika, how did I miss your message? I don't know how I missed your message." And I told them, "Don't worry, I only blocked it because in my head it was like everyone's busy, no one's responded, so I blocked myself from receiving." The lesson here is that when you are noticing the lack of anything, you're blocking the abundance of it. When you start noticing the abundance of something, you start matching with more abundance of that same thing happening. Now, for months of dry months of nothing happening to suddenly all this activity just from this one exercise shows you that when you move your energy from noticing what is not there to remembering all the times that you've had something and filling your being up with that, you will vibrate in the frequency that'll match what you want as opposed to focusing on the lack. Is this not a powerful teaching? Let me know in the chat what you think and if you're going to apply this in your life. And of course, having said that, I want to share with you very exciting news. Is one of the most beautiful masterclasses that I've ever taught and will ever teach probably in a long time is about to happen for all of you Synchro Shakti students and viewers. We're doing this class called Transform Your Life with the FIRE method. You see, a lot of our students and you guys also have got beautiful results in your life, but many people end up going back to their default state after getting manifestations, also back to their default state of struggle, focusing on the lack, going back to deflation, focusing again on not feeling good enough. Rings any bells? Because there's one major thing that is missing, and that's what you're going to learn in the FIRE method. If you want to register for that class, it is free. It is 2.5 hours long. You'll find all the details of timing, dates, everything in the description. Come for this class. It's the most gorgeous, beautiful teaching, beautiful class I've ever taught. I cannot wait for you to experience this. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. I love you. I expect to see you in the class, and I will see you in the very next video. And yes, please tell me if today's video was of value to you and if you're planning to practice this in your life as well. And by the way, just a little PS. Gratitude is when we're giving thanks for something we have. Appreciation is when we're appreciating even if you don't have it. So if you have no experience of amazing hangouts with people or amazing money come into your life or any good times, you can still appreciate that these things exist in the world, that people are constantly meeting the love of their life, that there's so many amazing marriages in the world, that so many people are getting jobs even without needing a CV. When you appreciate those things, you'll become a vibrational match to receiving that, as opposed to giving yourself reasons to feel bad about not having it yet. So appreciate, appreciate, appreciate. It's a magnet to get you everything that you want. I love you. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. Namaste.